I was at a party one evening and some pictures were taken, and when the pictures actually turned up on social media, one showed the back of my head, and that's when I really noticed just how much hair I had lost. I definitely had some, apprehension at first. If you look at people that had anything remotely close to this procedure from 10 years ago, it looks awful. And that was my biggest concern, is what am I going to look like after this is said and done? And after seeing people that have actually had it done, being able to watch the testimonials, it was pretty seamless. I was able to make an appointment and I was in and out that day, and I was growing my hair in probably a month to 2 months. PAI was very good when it came to being able to explain the options and what would work for me. The multi-unit hair graft was the best solution for what I needed, and they really walked me through step by step on how the process was going to work and how it was going to be able to give me a natural hairstyle. I've always been pretty savvy when it comes to being online and being able to seek out options and what's available. And I actually have a colleague that went to PAI, and I didn't know he had gone, but when I actually ran into him in the hallway, I could tell something was different, but I just didn't know what was different. And after having a conversation with him and realizing just how natural it looked really, that's when I decided, let's give him a shot, let's see what they can do for me. PAI was great from start to finish. The staff is just amazing. They really have great skills when it comes to being able to talk to their clientele. I really wasn't sure what different technology was out there. My biggest moment of truth was being able to look back and to see just the difference in individuals that have had any type of hair procedure done. And once I did go in and they were able to provide some peace of mind on the different types of procedures that they have, I was able to say, this is for me, this is what I want, and I'm ready to get started. I did the multi-unit hair grafting and the PRP, platelet-rich plasma. If I'm going to have an investment that's going to last forever, I want to make sure that I do it right the first time, and the empirical data shows that it definitely helps with it. So I did both, and I couldn't be happier with the results. It was really the professionalism of the staff. Not only were they warm and friendly, but the technology that they have is state of the art, and they were able to give me my confidence back and put hair on the top of my head. Multi-unit hair grafting gave me my hair back. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. My advice would be, if you have any hesitation or you're thinking that maybe you could use a boost of confidence, go in, talk to them. They're super friendly, they're warm, they're inviting, and see what they can do for you.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 800-496-7225 or visit WeGrowHair.com.